soft, fudgy, Christmas red cookies with a snowy crinkle top, and they are ready in just few minutes of baking. Let's begin the very first episode of Bakemas 2025 with the most festive cookie ever. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here as we start Bakemas 2025 together. Today, we are making something very comforting and festive. Red Velvet Crinkle Cookies. They are soft, slightly fudgy, lightly crisp on the outside and perfect for this cozy December season. So, let's get started. Let's quickly go through the ingredients. So this is unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter. This is brown sugar, caster sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, red food color, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. If you're using salted butter, you're not going to use salt. So preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius and line your baking tray with parchment paper. This helps the cookies bake evenly and prevents the bottoms from over browning. Okay, and now in a large bowl, I'm going to cream together the softened butter, brown sugar and white sugar. So first I'm going to mix this with a silicone spatula and then I'll use my hand mixer to beat this until the mixture turns pale and fluffy. Now this step is important. The air we incorporate here is what gives the cookies that lovely puff and crackle in the oven. Now add the eggs and mix this well. Now is the time to add red color. This color turns into a deep festive red once the cookies bake, which is perfect for Christmas. So now I'm adding the flour. So I'm sifting the flour. Sifting breaks any lumps and ensures your cookies stay smooth and uniform, especially while adding cocoa powder. It should be properly sifted. So here goes the baking powder and salt. So using the spatula, I'm going to mix this gently and mix only until everything comes together. Overmixing can make cookies dense. Oh, and here I am again, forgetting to add the vanilla extract. Let me add it right now. But you have to add it before adding the flour. Okay? So I'm right in saying when I say that I'm clumsy, but I think I should say I'm forgetful too. Anyways, let's finish our mixing. So I'm going to roll the cookies now. In one bowl, take granulated sugar and in another bowl, take powdered sugar. Roll each cookie dough ball first in granulated sugar. This helps the powdered sugar stick better, and then roll in powdered sugar generously. This double coating gives you that bright snowy crinkle that doesn't disappear while baking. Now place the cookie balls on the tray, keeping space between them. and I'm going to bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they are done when the tops crack beautifully, but the center still looks soft and slightly underbaked. That gooey center will set as they cool, so giving the cookies their famous fudgy texture. If your cookies feel soft after 10 minutes, don't worry, they are perfect. Crinkle cookies firm up as they cool, and trust the process. So few tips I want to give you is, don't chill the dough. Chilled dough won't spread properly. Don't skip the granulated sugar layer, and don't overbake. They will become dry and lose that lovely brownie texture. These cookies look like they have come straight from Santa's workshop, deep red inside with snowy cracks on top. Bake them for gifting, for kids, or just to bring that Christmas warmth into your home. Thank you for starting Bakemas 2025 with me. If you try these Red Velvet Crinkle Cookies, tag me, it makes my day. I'll see you soon with another festive recipe. Until then, take care, stay warm, and keep baking with love. Happy baking!